Mogare mi de toto viroko koto koto koroko koto koto koroko
Oyotunji, a mini Oyo Empire in USA. In faraway United States of America, there is a Yoruba community named Oyotunji African Village. It is located near Sheldon, Beaufort County, South Carolina. Oyotunji is regarded as North America's oldest authentic African village. It was founded in 1970 and is the first intentional community in North America. Based on the culture of the Yoruba and Dahomey tribes of West Africa, it has survived 48 years of sustaining the Yoruba traditional sociology and values in diaspora. The village is named after the Oyo Empire. The name literally means Oyo returns, or Oyo rises again, or Oyo resurrects. The village occupies 27 acres of land. Oyotunji was founded by His Royal Highness Oba King Waja, Ofuntola, Oseijeman, and Adelabu Adefunmi, born in Walter Eugene King on October 5th, 1928 in Detroit, Michigan, USA. A graduate from Cass Technical High School, Oba Waja's exposure to African religion began when he became associated with the Katherine Dunham Dance Troupe at the age of 20. He later traveled to Haiti, where he discovered more about the Yoruba culture. Armed with a new understanding of the African culture, he found the order of Damballah Hwedo, Ancestor Priests, in Harlem, New York. On August 26, 1959, Oba Waja became the first African born in America to become fully initiated into the Orisha Vodun African priesthood by African Cubans in Matanzas, Cuba. This marked the beginning of the spread of Yoruba religion and culture among African Americans. He later found the Shango Temple in New York and incorporated the African Theological Ark Ministry in 1960. The Shango Temple was relocated and renamed the Yoruba Temple in 1970. Oba Waja found the Yoruba village of Oyotunji in Beaufort County, South Carolina, and began the careful reorganization of the Orisha Voodoo priesthood along traditional Nigerian lines. To further his knowledge of Yoruba culture, he traveled to Abeokuta in Nigeria in 1972, where he was initiated into the Ifa priesthood by Oluwa of Ijeun at Abeokuta, Ogun State, in August of 1972. In 1981, His Royal Majesty Oba Sijuade Olubusi II, the former Oni of Ife, ordered the chiefs to perform coronation rites on Oba Waja, thereby becoming Alashe, translated King, of the Yoruba of North America, also becoming the first in line of the New World Yoruba Kings. He passed away on Thursday, February 10th, 2005 at Oyotunji African Village in Beaufort County, South Carolina. And since Adefunmi's death in 2005, the village has been led by his son, Oba Adejuigbe Adefunmi II, till date. The Oba title is referred to as Oyotunji of Oyotunji.
Mokare mi de toto viro ko koto koto koroko koto koto ko